Hello everyone, my beautiful souls. Welcome to the Daily Tarot, and this is Bhumika Manoj Chandiramani from Kirti Tarot Angel and Consultancy and Classes. To keep on getting your daily messages and to get on seeing your daily readings for yourself, you can always like, follow, share, subscribe to our channel and keep on getting your messages from that. So today we have come up with another deck, that is the Archangel Power Tarot deck. So we are going to get the messages from the Powerful Power Tarot deck. So these are 3 cards, and out of these 3 cards I would request you to choose your card. So this is card number 1, this is card number 2, this is card number 3. Whatever question is in your mind, whatever is bothering your mind, whatever the thought is coming in your mind, you can breathe deeply and concentrate on your breathing. Look at your breathing carefully and then try to open your eyes. And when you open your eyes, you will feel you are getting connected to that particular card for yourself. And as and when you feel that particular card is attracting you, choose the card for yourself. And that card, you need to believe on it. It is going to help you and going to give you the right answer for yourself. So please close your eyes, take 3 deep breaths, focus on your breathing, relax your mind, and slowly and gradually, when you are ready, choose your card from the card number 1, card number 2 and card number 3. So just see. Alright, so let's pick it up the cards for you and see what is there for you. We'll begin up with the card number 1. So the card number 1 has the message saying that it is 6 of Raphael. That means the message is showing in this is embrace your inner child, new friend, new rekindled relationship, children or childhood. This card says that the connection what you have lost with yourself, and you have been involved yourself completely in the worldly livings. You have forgotten to see yourself. You have forgotten to see what you needed. You have been serving others, trying to make others happy, trying to see the needs and necessities of others. So this is the time for you to embrace yourself. Look at yourself, look at your desires, look around for yourself. Somewhere you see that you have been completely in others, being completely in helping others, being completely thinking of others. It has been like now you are realizing that your entire life has been completely in serving others, doing things for others, and it has been that nothing you have seen for yourself. Come on, get up, look yourself in the mirror and see. Call your name thrice and see. Where have you lost? Where have you lost yourself? Where you were supposed to be and where you are right now. The moment you will see yourself in the mirror, say yourself, I love you. You are so beautiful. You are so amazing. I like you. And I pamper myself. Just say this to yourself for 3 times and see what difference you can feel after that. Great. So let's go to the card number 2 and see the people who have chosen the card number 2, what message is there for them. Queen of Gabriel, the passionate, charming, brilliant and independent person who is looking for the new opportunities, and it says that you can do anything right now. Go after what you want, the ability to attract helpful people. It says that now is the time you can do something for yourself. If you are able to do now, you will be highly successful. But still, if you are keeping things pending and you think, okay, let it be, I'll do it tomorrow or I'll do it some other time, then this opportunity will not come again and again. If the opportunity is come your way, if the opportunity is knocking your door, get up, open the door and welcome the opportunity. Also, this card says that you have been patient enough from very long. Now is the time for you to take the action for that. You have been serving the humanity, and that humanity is giving you the returns now. So right now, get up, take an action and work upon it and see the difference for yourself. For you need to take quick action, and the remedies for you it is, please wear citrine crystal to boost your energies and to boost your opportunities for you to take quick actions for that. Thank you. Let's see the people who have chosen the card number 3. The card number 3 says Queen of Ariel, mature, practical, generous, happy. And the message is, nurture yourself and those you love. The ability to make anything more beautiful, practical and wise advice. So this card says that the money or the prosperity or the career or the property or the ancestral property, what you were waiting for, it is the time for you coming right now. Now just wait for 5 days and see some opportunity towards your career or money, or some news is definitely going to come your way. It also says that you are very practical and matured enough. You can take actions based on your intelligence. Use that, utilize that. You are definitely going to get benefited with that. You will be always be getting some or the other news, but for that news you have to intelligently work upon it. And it also shows that there have always been fruits been produced where when you have actually planted the seeds for that, and that those seeds have started giving the fruits now. So your patience, your calmness and your Your efforts are just giving you the returns now. So just enjoy these energies, enjoy these returns. You are doing a great job, you are doing a wonderful job. Please go ahead. And now let's do a small exercise for all the people and see how do you feel after that. Let me help you out to fight with your stress, to fight with your own issues of your life, to think about yourself where for so many years or so long you haven't thought of yourself. It's just that now is the time for you to think of yourself. So just take 3 deep breaths, center yourself, imagine and visualize the white light coming from the Mother Earth, entering from your foot, going towards your calves, your knees, your thighs, your root chakra, moving towards your lower back, your lower abdomen, upper back, upper abdomen. It goes to your heart chakra. When it reaches to your heart chakra, you feel that you are so peaceful. When it reaches to your heart chakra, you feel that this white light is transforming and converting all the negative energies into all the positive energies. Visualize that. You can see that some black clouds are just getting released from your heart chakra. And the moment you see that black clouds are getting released from your heart, you are feeling lighter, rejuvenated, refreshed and energetic from there. You feel that now you are ready to fly high and reach to the higher levels, and now you are open to invite new energies to enter, new people to enter in your life, to take you to a new journey and bring you out of your past pains, past hurts, past problems and your issues. As soon as you feel good, take 3 deep breaths. Take your right hand towards your heart chakra and feel the energies of the freshness being sent to you from the Mother Earth. Give yourself few seconds to feel the energies. As and when you feel that you are complete, it makes you feel that yes, you are now charged up and ready to go ahead and solve your issues by yourself. You will be feeling charged up, energized and contented. And as and when you feel contented, give a gratitude to the Mother Earth for giving you this opportunity today to look in yourself for few minutes and energizing yourself and releasing the blocks which were there stuck in your heart. give a gratitude. Thank you, thank you, thank you. For more details and for more tips, meditations, card readings, angel messages, please like, follow, share, subscribe our channel with the name of Bhumika Chandiramani, and the Facebook page is Kirti Tarot Angel, and our Instagram page is also in Kirti Tarot Angel. Please like, follow, subscribe and share our channel to get benefited more and more with it. Thank you, thank you, thank you.